Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Do subscribe, like and follow the channel. In the last lecture, we defined artificial intelligence as a term for simulating intelligence in machines. These machines are programmed to think like a human, or in other words, the AI machines mimic the way a person acts. Today we are going to see the applications of the AI. The link of the last lecture is given in the description. If we look at our surroundings, we will find that everything is linking us with the technology, and technology is linked with AI at some level. Starting from our handheld mobile devices to our travel modes and entertainment applications like gaming machines, etc., are all linked with the AI. Now, artificial intelligence is being successfully used in the automation of prediction or recommender applications, which use certain knowledge bases and reasoning capabilities to some extent to select a suitable course of the actions. From our daily lives, AI has paved its path to industry as well. Industry has developed applications to automate their tasks. Even the tasks that involve building something or writing a piece of code is being automated with the help of the AI. So here is a list of domains where AI have vast set of applications. Let's discuss them in detail. Applications based on the natural language processing are now available in our mobile phones as well. A vast majority of these applications try to understand the text, generate summaries, or ranking the feedbacks. These applications also give us a way to enable meaningful communications between computer and humans. For example, the AI chatbots. Speech recognition applications also pave a way for meaningful communication between human and computer, just like the natural language processing based applications. Some of the audio based applications focuses on only audio to text, whereas some also focuses on understanding the systematic semantics of the speech. The most known example of these applications could be the AI-based assistants such as Google Assistant, Cortana, or Siri. Computer vision applications are being widely used in security sectors. They contain face identifications, recognition techniques. Security sectors are using these applications to track down the culprits or runaways. AI helps the computer in understanding the camera streams. The domain of robotics is related to the field in which robots are being designed to automate certain tasks. Some robots are single task robots, whereas others robots can do a number of tasks. An example of such a board could be the home cleaning board, which uses AI to understand its environment and select the best course of the action. A programming machine which is capable to write the code itself. Isn't it interesting? So, the automated programming machines are capable to write code for specific problems. Most of these machines are rule based machines and are only capable to code a specific type of problems. Virtual private assistants such as Cortana, Siri, Google Assistant, or Google Now are all virtual assistants. They organize your schedules, emails, messages, to-do lists, etc. All of these assistants are based on AI. AI. Games uses AI, which makes them more interesting and spontaneous. Games such as Assassin's Creed, Hitman, IGI, The Three Planner, Call of Duty, etc., etc., they all have the AI boards that is designed to behave in a certain way, in a certain environment, or in a certain situation. These boards are implemented based on rule-based AI approach. Today we discussed a very brief set of applications of the AI, but of course the application doesn't stay there. There are so many other applications of the AI out there as well. In the next lecture, we will discuss the strong and weak AI along with the PEAS best criteria of the AI. If you have any queries, feel free to comment them below. Have a good day everyone. Allah Hafiz.